What exactly do you get when you buy a branding? In this video, I show you how we at HCG Corporate Designs deliver a branding and the relevant raw data to our clients. In the past, we used to deliver brandings in a folder structure and the corporate design manual as a PDF file. We've recently changed that and now deliver a branding and all the raw assets and the corporate design manual as a website, fully responsive with login access for employees. I want to show you two examples from our clients. This is the branding style guide or the corporate design manual for our client Spedijobs. It's in German language because the client is German. I scroll through it. Here you see the core values of the brand, the USP, the logo of course, the core of the branding. Then we see how the logo may be used in different versions, in different styles, and of course how the logo must not be used. It's always good for the in-house team to see how a logo is allowed being used or not. Then we have different colors, primary colors, secondary colors, and all the relevant color codes for print and digital, Pantone, SMYK, RGB and hex, that you can just copy and paste or copy out. Then typography. Typography is one of the core elements in a branding. You see different examples and a very detailed table of different styles of text, different font sizes for print and web, and etc. A dummy text, so you see how it actually looks like. We developed different icons for this branding that you can see here. Then we have secondary style elements and patterns. These are normally derived from the logo, not always, but sometimes. And here you see how certain design elements can be used to have a visual connection to the rest of the branding. Then we have different patterns. And of course the do's and don'ts. How do you have to use design elements? How design elements must not be used, like this here. Exactly. Then we have a mood board. A mood board that shows what kind of images, what image feeling has to be used in the branding, throughout the branding. And the principle of order. This is so-called the protection space for the logo, so the green marks show the minimum distance to other design elements. We have a grid here for this client, a specific grid that has to be used, and of course layout examples. So the design in-house team or every designer that you basically work with sees and knows how design looks like in real practice. And at the bottom of the website, at the end, we have access all assets, which needs login access. Here you can navigate. The second example, the Business Design Boutique, also with the core values. The logo, here we have like a flexible logo design. We have different versions of a logo that can be used, that are allowed to be used, and some versions that are not allowed to be used, like this here. We have different primary colors, secondary colors, with all the relevant color codes for print and digital. Typography examples, again, different aspects when using typography, what font color, etc. Then we have the typography table with many details and a dummy text. Or buttons, how buttons have to look like in this branding. Again, secondary style elements and patterns. Yeah, and do's and don'ts for this branding of the Business Design Boutique. Mood board again, and the principle of order. Delivering the corporate design manual as a website has many advantages. Only approved people have access to the raw data of the branding, like logo vector files, social media design templates, and so on. This website is on purpose not indexed in the Google search engine. You can access this one central design database from anywhere in the world. This is perfect for home office teams or for remote teams. All assets are always accessible in one single place. And the best thing is, you always have the latest status quo of a file in the branding website, in the raw data. There is no sending back and forth of different versions of a file. Corporate Design Manual shows several design examples and example layouts, so the design system is easily understood. Providing the manual as a website also allows for a more logical structure and smart anchor linking in the menu, so you can easily navigate through the manual. By the way, we are awarded with the Quality Seal of Initiative Corporate Design by Design Austria. That means we officially commit ourselves to develop every branding according to specific quality standards that set the standard for the entire industry. Hence, our clients always get a branding in premium quality. I invite you to book a free call to kickstart your branding project. Subscribe to this video channel and see you in the next video.